Last year when Ash came on the show, she made the most delicious carrot cake. I'm still dreaming about it. It's so good. So, of course, you had to come on and make another cake.
Yes, and this one actually was inspired by my time in the jungle on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, because we both have that in common.
Yes, I'll never forget.
I dreamt of chocolate cake the entire time that I was there. I just wanted the cake that was in Matilda the movie.
Oh, I love that movie.
You know,
so
the one the Trunchbull wants, but Bruce Bogtrotter eats. This is this cake, and I tell you what, it is the best cake that you are ever going to eat.
Well, I'm in the mood for chocolate cake.
All right, so what we're going to do is we are both on separate things. I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients and you're going to be on the wet. So can we do 2 cups of flour first, please? Plain flour.
Absolutely, in it goes.
And then I'm going to mix up the other bits and pieces, the sugar, and this is very important. The cocoa, we have to do the best quality cocoa that you can find.
If you're going to make a chocolate cake, make it with quality ingredients because straight away you'll taste the difference.
Oh my God, absolutely. So bicarb and baking powder.
Yeah.
And then give these a little mix together. You are going to combine some eggs, please.
Yes.
Eggs, buttermilk, oil. The oil makes this cake moist.
It's that age-old classic combination of vegetable oil or a neutral oil and the buttermilk that keeps cakes super moist.
Delightful.
So I'm just going to break these little eggs up. It's funny how you said you were craving on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here cake. Do you know what I was craving?
Yeah, what?
Not sweet. And everyone usually craves sweet, but me, it was a cheeseburger.
Oh,
like a
really?
a homemade smashed cheeseburger. And I would
With some
dream
French
about
fries?
it. Yeah. It's amazing when you are that hungry how much you dream about food and obsess about it.
Obsessed.
And nothing else matters but just dreaming about that delicious hamburger or chocolate cake.
I was dreaming about the Bruce Bogtrotter chocolate cake and steak tartare from Francois.
Is that right?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, in the end, because I talked about the chocolate cake so much, the production crew ended up making me a chocolate cake, but they ended up filling in each layer, filling with Vegemite, and then icing the entire cake with Vegemite, and they made me eat the whole thing. If I ate the whole thing in the toktoki, I would then get some ingredients for our campmates to make cake.
I mean, it's cruel with the Vegemite, but when you're that hungry, it probably was totally fine to eat.
It was fine. So we're going to add the wet into the dry.
There we go.
For you.
I love a cake where it's just wet ingredients, dry ingredients.
You don't even need to get out the stand-up mixer for this.
And a little bit of vanilla.
Yes, please.
I'll just a teaspoon.
Yep. Whoop. Tablespoon.
There we go. A tablespoon.
Yep, go on. Stop.
There we go.
Stunning. Give that one a mix. And then you are going to lose your mind because we're not finished there. I have one more secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is a freshly brewed espresso.
I like that.
Now, you might think, oh my God, it's going to taste like coffee, but it is absolutely not. This is going to boost the chocolate flavour through the roof.
So good. And I see we've got 2 tins here. We're doing a double-decker cake.
We're doing a double-decker because I know how you liked the fabulousness of the carrot cake. We did a double layer with that.
I love it.
I just think go all out.
Well, if you're looking for a birthday cake, then try Ash's carrot cake, so good, or this chocolate one, which
Kids love it.
I haven't tasted it yet, but I think it's going to be pretty good.
Okay, here we go.
So split it in half.
Split it in half.
Hope
So
I get
do
that.
one in here.
A little bit more. Oh, I've made a mess already.
Don't worry, I'll taste it.
Is it good?
Oh my God, it's so good. You've got to lick the spatula.
Oh, I will be. Don't worry
Are you
about
right? Do you need me to hold it?
that. I'm just trying to make sure it's even. Now, these are quite thin, so how long are they going to cook for in the oven?
30 minutes, sort of 175.
Yep.
If you want to open the oven toward the end of the cooking, pop a knife in. If it comes out reasonably clean but it's still a little bit gooey, I would suggest undercooking the cake rather than overcooking and completely ruining it so it's dry. Undercooking is best because when it comes out of the oven, it'll still cook. Oh my God, don't waste that.
Oh, well, I'm kind of keeping it strategically because... Oh, look at the bowl.
Isn't it so good? Oh
It's
my
so
God.
good. Yum. All right, can't wait to try this.
Cakes are out. They are cooled. So now we're going to get to the pièce de résistance. the icing.
Okay.
Again, we are going to add coffee into this.
Great.
So please, let us start with some cream cheese.
Okay.
And some butter.
Lots of butter, please.
Can you spoon that out for me?
Can do. Softened butter.
Softened butter.
Softened cream cheese.
Room temp.
Exactly.
Everything room temp. And just whiz that up together. Okay. You know, you could do just complete butter as a buttercream if you wanted, but I quite like to add the cream cheese in there for an extra bit of level up on the flavour.
Absolutely.
Vanilla in.
So all the same flavours that we've already used in our chocolate cake. So there's really minimal ingredients in this.
It's so easy and so delicious.
Okay. And then more.
Yes, turn that off because we don't want to get a face full of chocolate.
Oh, wrong one. Okay. I love how you've got me to do this job.
Well, should we just mix it with a spoon before you turn that on and get us all...
No, I love to live on the edge.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Okay.
But I have done this many times before and you get a chocolate cocoa bomb.
A cloud.
A cloud.
Okay, this is good. Now, Juzzy, get the icing sugar, feed it in with a spoon, and Bob's your uncle. Don't forget we do have to add in the coffee.
Good one. And I should just mention, it looks really, really dry, right? But you've got to stick with it because as soon as you start to add the coffee later, it'll come together.
Right, so let me decant these beauties and I'm going to stack them up.
Oh, I can't wait to
Get ready for this.
They've risen quite a lot, actually.
Yeah. Oh, this cake is ginormous.
Excellent.
Some people like to kind of trim.
Yeah.
I don't.
Well, if you don't have to, you don't have to.
I just don't want the waste. I will take this off and leave it here for later because we're going to put the icing on here.
All right. Well, I'll continue with the labour of love. So you can see it's really coming together, but just slowly, slowly we're going to feed in that icing sugar so we don't get an icing sugar bomb.
Okay, this is the very exciting bit. Okay, now I just do a nice little dollop in the middle.
I love how you've got a lot of frosting. Not just a little bit, but a lot. It's almost like part of the cake. It's like a really chunky part of cake and a chunky part of frosting.
It's really just all or nothing. So I don't put it all the way to the edges because once you put the second layer on, it'll squish down and go.
Now, which way? Do you want to flip it that way or the other way?
I don't mind if you do it that way.
Okay,
yeah.
And squishy, squishy. That's the best part, I think.
Gorgeous. Now we have a flat top, which is fabulous for the design part. Okay. Now, let's just add a small amount of icing there.
Just a small amount.
I mean, look at how big the cake is. That's why we need it so humongous.
And then, because it is so dramatic, you don't have to go all out with loads of decorations. I think keeping it quite simple would be nice to show off how gorgeous the chocolate is in here.
It is nice if you have some fresh berries on the side.
Yes, on the side, of course.
Or you could just have it as is because...
And because it's chocolate, do you know what I love pairing chocolate with?
What?
Salt. It's a little sprinkle of salt.
Ooh.
That's
just going to bring it right to fruition, isn't it? Now, since it was your idea, would you like to do the honours of adding some sprinkles of salt?
You want some good quality salt for this. Not too much, but just a little sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, great.
Okay. You want to do this?
No,
you're stressing out. Okay,
You've got
here we
to cut
go.
this baby.
Are you ready for this? Oh my God.
Let's have a look.
Get ready, get ready. You are going to die.
Wow. Oh. There are no words to describe how perfect this cake is.
You'll have no words in a minute. Now give it a taste.
One for
Thank
you. It's so heavy. I'm going to have to put that down.
After you.
Thank you. I should cut that in half. It's too big. It's like moist in the centre and the good quality chocolate, and you can taste it.
Yeah, you can taste the quality in that chocolate. And what do you think about the coffee edition?
I love it. I know you say you can't taste it.
It's very subtle.
It's very subtle, and I love that though, because I love coffee and chocolate together. And I just think it's the best addition to this. Look, we can't stop.
Oh my God, is this not the best?
Yep. Next birthday party, I am requesting this perfect recipe by Ash. Thank you.
You are welcome.